Alright, Luigi, let's hop in the car.
Oh, yeah. Hey, look, it's iPad. It's an annoying orange music video of Party Rock. The parody featuring Beast Ball. Let's play.
Let's go in the car. Let's go eat somewhere.
Okay, Mario, you should sit in the front because seriously, I can't. I mean, it's too big for me. Okay. Sure.
Let's go to the restaurant.
Nope, not the one that we had last time.
Okay, we're already here. Oh, I love this song. I think that's your seat, Luigi. This is mine. I'm just gonna be replaced this episode with the Plush Mario because he was in the first one, you know, with retard Luigi. Or idiot Luigi, my bad. So yeah.
Oh, it's the Flash Bros. Yahoo! I can't really sit because, like, I know you can, but yeah. So yeah, I have to like stand and yeah. Where's our waiter? It's a wait.
Yeah, and cook that extra crispy, right? Oh, customers.
Ow. I will Look who it is! Chubba Gomer is famous.
Hello. Welcome to the Steve the Restaurant. Steve the Trooper Restaurant. How may I help you? Oh, and yes, we kind of purposely picked out the tables. Look at it.
Oh, I get it, Steve.
Yep, so what would you like?
Lots of spaghetti.
Pizza. I'll get your food.
Dun, 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 dun. This episode for Annoying Orange is very appealing since Mario and Luigi are eating food.
Check it out, yo! We're back! Back to back in the kitchen with my
Epic peel time. Whoa. Change.
Didn't you get the e-bike? We're throwing a party with Artie and Farty. We're getting all buck.
Okay. I'll get your food. Oh. Oh, I got it. Okay, we're actually kind of out of stuff. So yeah.
What?
Yeah, hang on. Here's what you need.
What is it? Seriously, whoa, that just appeared.
Okay, Steve, stop messing around, man. Seriously, I'm starving.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I'll drive to the store. I'm gonna use your car, Luigi.
Okay.
Can I have some Italian spaghetti and some what's it called again? Pizza? Yes, here you go. It's here's the food. Oh, that'd be $15. What? Pay up or I'll kill you. Okay. $15. It's already in my pocket. Santa. Okay. Okay, here's spaghetti. Here's your whatever you want, pizza. So yeah. Oh yeah, I have to go get my bank. Piggy bank. Yee. Piggy bank. Piggy bank. Pizza. Spaghetti. Luigi! Calm down! What? I was too busy eating. Calm down. Okay, I'll just calm down. I'll just get the money out of my piggy bank, I guess. Hang on. I have to go get some money. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to grab it. Okay. Got to grab my money. Cool. I mean, I know it's somewhere, but where on somewhere? I'll just take the change barrel. It's automatic. It's a ride lift. Okay. Okay. You're back into the restroom. You know, your orange episode is done. I'm gonna go change. Change, must change. This one you guys would like, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Crave! I'm craving! Okay, Luigi, I didn't get to eat my food. I have to eat it. Yum, 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 yum. Oh. So fast. Oh, I gotta go take a poop. 5 hours later. Ah, that was a nice poop. You guys been here for 6 hours! Yeah. And you broke everything in here. Look! It's a trash! Seriously! Okay. How much? All of your money! I only brought like $100 and change. That's Red Bull. Nope. Maybe you guys can work the rest of your lives. Thanks, Steve. Okay, Steve. Here's all the money I got. 1 penny. Luigi, the rest of the money's mine. How are we supposed to get all the money? I mean, without going home. That is all of mine. But he wants like $1 bajillion. Yeah, I know. Okay. Yeah, I guess. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm just gonna let you guys know you're never going to escape. I'm so smart and evil.
I didn't think Steve could be evil.
Well, I can. Here's 1 cent and the rest of your money. Wait, what?
Get in the car!
Bye. Luigi! Your butt was... Go! 20 cents back to the house. Let's go. Angry bird! Attack! Oh, I'm gonna kill you! Mario! Luigi, wait! There! I don't really like to hurt people, but I'm a guard. Me too. Wink, wink, wink. I'm pretty. Same your fool. Snivy. Jingling. Where's Zorward? We better get him. Blow him. Oh, chicken. What? Did you say? Zorward. I must get the kids that are being bad. Zorward, you shadow sneak. Jingling used a hurl bomb. Boing. Snivy used a vine whip. Zorward gets hacked because of shadow sneak. Zor. Boom. Boom. Whoa. Sometimes I don't get a feeling. Yeah. No! I'm for spankings. No! Mommy! Gotta shut the camera. How about we're gonna give Luigi spankings? No! Oh! Oh! 10 days later. Mario, wait! What? Yoshi, this is the problem. Up on my back. Oh, okay. Boing. I gotta go home. Wait, where's Luigi? I don't know. Mama, Luigi! I must save you! He's passed out. Oh. He was a a very bad kid. That's what you should never be like. You're drunk! I'm so hurt. Okay, Luigi, hop on my back. It hurts. Well, since your butt hurts, you can go like this, but Black Yoshi Fan 64 has to hold your hand.
Yeah, my buttocks. Oh.
Oh! Ah, got my hand.
Oh, now I have a brain damage.
Hey, my butt feels better now. Yay! Right when we get home. No, I don't have brain damage anymore. Yay! Yay! Do 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 do.
The thing you're sitting on is the computer. And yes, I'm watching YouTube on my iPad. Okay? That's what I always do if you don't know. I'm going to watch some more annoying orange. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm tired. Ow!
No ripping off Super James Rose.
Fine. Mr. Bossy. Ow!
No ripping off any other YouTubers except for yourself or Black Yoshi Fan 64.
Okay.
Oh. Now time to upload it all to YouTube. Wait, this is YouTube. My bad. Haha. Fake! Okay, then. No making Smosh references or any other YouTuber. Yes, sir. Oh. Oh, my butt really hurts, but I hope you guys enjoyed the episode of Super Mario Bros. Go to a restaurant number 2. Oh, and this time, guess where it was in the comments. Oh yeah, you guys guessed right. It was Burger King. Okay, oh god, my butt hurts. Okay, I'll see you guys later, and me and Luigi, the next episode, the figure will be back, okay? See you guys then. Ow, my buttocks. Ow! Do 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 do.
Good night, and I hope you see you guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe.